One of the main issues we come across with self-employed clients is the income that the lenders will use to assess the affordability of the mortgage and the amounts the clients can borrow. The common misconception is that the income figures that the lenders will use for their affordability is either the turnover or the total gross profit of the business, and this is incorrect. The figure they will use will firstly depend on whether the clients are a sole trader or a limited company director. So for a sole trader, the figure the lender will actually use is the net profit after deductions and expenses have been taken off, not the turnover or the gross profit, and this can actually be a lot lower than the total turnover or gross profit. The net profit is also the figure that the client's tax is calculated based on. So for example, if the turnover of the business was 100,000, after deductions and expenses, the net profit could be 20,000, and that will make a big difference to the amount the clients can borrow. For a limited company director, the figure the lenders will use will be the director's salary and the dividends taken from the business. However, there are a couple of lenders that will use the director's salary and the retained profit in the business. There are a few different ways to prove the income for the lenders, but this will obviously depend on the lenders themselves and what they require. Some lenders would want the full signed accounts for the most recent 2 or 3 years. However, there are a couple of lenders that will only need 1 year's accounts and they could still lend based on that. Some lenders would send their own accountant certificate directly to the accountant. The accountant can then fill in the figures, sign them and return them to the lender. And some would want the last 2 years' tax calculation forms with the accompanying tax year overviews that the client should be able to download directly from the HMRC website. So as you can probably see, it's a bit of a minefield when working out the borrowing potential for self-employed clients. But our job as your mortgage advisor is to collate all of the facts and figures and then come back to you with the best lender and the best affordability based on the information and the documents that you've provided. So if you are self-employed and want some free advice, please feel free to contact one of the team here at Trinity Finance and we will do our best to help you.